So our next portion is derivatives of functions in parametric form. Derivatives of functions in parametric form. What do you mean by parametric form? Usually y will be given and we are finding dy by dx. That means we are differentiating y with respect to x. In this parametric form, what all will be given as x will be given as a function of t. T is another variable. Same way y will also be given as another function of t. X will be given, y will be given, and those two will be functions of another variable. It can be t, it can be theta or some other variable. Here also the question is to find a dy by dx. So what we will do is, we will find a dy by dt. Y is given in terms of t, so we will find dy by dt divided by x is also given in terms of t. So we will find a dx by dt. So to find dy by dt, what all we have to do is, we have to find a dy by dt, we have to find a dx by dt and take the quotient of dy by dt by dx by dt. So we can do one question. The first question is, find dy by dx if x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. What is the parameter here? Theta is the parameter. A is a constant. Theta is a parameter. So the first thing to do is, write y. Y is equal to a sin theta. So we have to differentiate y with respect to the given parameter. The given parameter is theta. So dy by d theta is equal to, differentiation is the same. A is a constant. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. So dy by d theta is a cos theta. Similarly, take the next one. X is equal to a into cos theta. Here also the parameter is theta. The parameters will be the same for x and y in all the questions. So find dx by d theta. So what happens? A is a constant and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay. Again, the question is to find a dy by dx. So dy by dx will be equal to, apply the formula. What is the formula? Dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what is dy by d theta? We got as a cos theta. Don't get confused. We have to write the numerator dy by d theta. So dy by d theta is a cos theta divided by, what is dx by d theta? Minus a sin theta. A gets cancelled. So there is a negative. Cos theta by sin theta gives you cot theta. So the answer is also in terms of theta. For all the other questions, when we found out dy by dx, it was in terms of x or y. So here the answer will be in terms of theta. So dy by dx equal to minus cot theta. So study the formula. Dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, where theta is the parameter. If the parameter is t, we have to apply the formula dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt.